Hi guys, it's Drawing Land for Kids, and we're going to draw a birthday cake. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just using a Sharpie. You can use any materials you have and any kind of paper you have. Let's get going. The first thing you want to do on your paper is we are going to be drawing, actually let's draw the side of the cake. Go ahead and draw a curved line here. We're going to be having our frosting here, that's why we have it curved. And then go ahead and draw a straight line going down. Then go ahead and draw, we want to be drawing a curved line here for the top of the cake. So let's go ahead and draw that curved line. Actually right above here, we're going to draw a curved line, just like that. And let's draw a curved line right over here. And then we're going to draw a line going down, just like that. Go ahead and draw a curved line again. So now we have the bottom part of our cake drawn. Let's go in and draw the top of the cake. We're going to start with a curved line right over here. And we're going to skip some parts because we want to put some icing there or have some of our candles show through. So I'm just skipping some areas and not thinking too much about it. Just leaving some room for maybe the frosting or the candles that are going to be drawn. And now we're ready for our frosting. I'm going to use a wavy line, and I'm just going to go in and add that frosting that's kind of melted. Just like that. Okay, friends, now we're going to go in and draw a line right here. This is the frosting that's in the middle of the cake. And go ahead and draw another line here. And finish up that line. As always, if this video is going too fast for you, you can pause it. And I'm just drawing another line right below that line. And there's our frosting in the middle. Now, go ahead and decorate your cake. Maybe these are gumballs, maybe they're sprinkles, maybe they're blueberries. Whatever they are, go ahead and, I'm just using circles to decorate. You can do whatever you want. I'm just going in and drawing some I think they're going to be blueberries for me. Now we're ready to decorate the top of our cake. So let's go ahead and draw a curved line here. And we're just going to go in and draw a little frosting or whipped cream. And then we're going to draw two little lines inside to make it look realistic. And we're going to continue that. I'm actually going to leave that blank. I'm going to go over here. Draw a curved line at the bottom, curved line at the top, and I'm just fitting my whipped cream in there, or frosting. Let's put one over here, and maybe one over here, and then adding some lines on the inside. Looks pretty good. We need to add a bit more going all the way around the cake, so I'm going to keep drawing frosting right here. and maybe one more over here. Good. When you're ready, go ahead and add some more decorations to your cake. Maybe these are gumballs, maybe they're candy, maybe they are blueberries or fruit. It's up to you. Go in and decorate your cake a little bit more. Now we're ready for our candles. Candles are pretty simple. Draw a little curved line there. Draw a straight line going up. Little line going across. And we're going to go back down. There's one candle. Now anywhere where you have space, go ahead and add a candle. But if you notice, I'm kind of moving my candles a little higher than this one. So you want to put them in different areas. And let's add one down here because I have a little space there. If we did not create those spaces, then there would just be a line across the candle. So that's why we did that. Now you can go in and add more. Let's add, I'm gonna add one more right here. Go all the way up, go back down. See how we forgot to create space here and there's that line there, but that's okay. We'll learn for next time. Now go ahead for the top of the flame for the candles. You're going to draw a curved line and then go back down. Draw a curved line, go back down, and this one. Followed by a little line on the inside. I'm going to draw a little stand for my cake. This is pretty easy, but the first thing you want to do is draw a curved line and go all the way around the cake. Just like that. And for the actual stand, we're going to draw 2 curved lines. A curved line here. And on the left side, we're going to draw another curved line in an oval shape going all the way around. Add another line below to make it look 3D. And there's our cake stand. All right, guys. Let's add a couple of lines up here to make our cake look like it's glowing. So the candles are actually glowing. I just like to add a couple lines to make it look like they're glowing. Now, if you want, go inside your cake and add some decorations. Anything else you want to add to your cake, go ahead and do that. I think I'm done with my cake and I'm going to color it in and be right back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next video. Alright guys, here is the final colored version. Again, I used Copic markers, but you guys can use whatever markers you have at home. I also added some shading to one side so it looks more real. So when you're coloring in your cake, maybe choose lighter colors on the right side and then choose darker colors on the other side so that it looks a little bit more real. And I kind of did that with the stand too. I added some shadows on the left hand side and then I left the right area a little bit lighter. Same thing with my candles. I made it lighter on one side and a little bit darker on the other side. Hope you guys enjoyed and see you in my next video. Bye bye.